Good morning, Madam and Sir. My name is Mayralyn Patung. I'm 38 years old. I'm married. I'm a high school graduate. I'm a Roman Catholic. We are 4 siblings in the family and I am the youngest of them. My husband's work is a farmer. I have 2 children, ages 19 years old and 17 years old. I am currently here in United Arab Emirates as a domestic helper. We are 3 helpers here, 2 in Sri Lanka and me. My main duties is taking care of their children, 17 years old, 13 years old, 10 years old, and 5 years old. Sometimes, I help my co-helper such as cleaning the house, ironing clothes, and doing laundry. I have also experience as a local helper in the Philippines year 2015 to 2021. I served 1 couple and 1.5-year child. My main duties is taking care of their children, ironing clothes, and doing laundry. To my future employer, if you're giving me a chance to work with you, I promise I will do my best and I will follow your rules and instruction. I'm hardworking, honest, obedient, and patient, and kids lover. Hope to see you soon. Thank you and God bless.